Hi guys, this is Happy Family Vlog at maraming salamat po kay Papa Jesus sa ating pong birthday celebration today at sa lahat po ng mga bumate para sa ating 5th YouTube anniversary at sa ating birthday celebration this October. Maraming salamat po and God bless!
Hi, hello! Happy Family Vlog! Ayan, gusto ko lang bumati sa iyo ng happy birthday and 5 years sa YouTube. And then sana ang wish ko ay mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. And then magpakabait ka nga ni. And then sana lahat ng future na wishes or pangarap mo ay matupad. And then always remember na nandito lang kami para sa'yo, mag-support dito sa YT. And then, happy birthday! Happy Family Vlog!
Happy birthday! The Happy Family Vlog and happy 5th year anniversary to your channel. And more birthdays to come and more subscribers, more views. Take care always.
Hello, Happy Family Vlog. I would like to wish you a happy 5th YouTube anniversary. I'm happy for being part of it, and thank you for inviting me to send a message. And sorry, I'm not feeling well. I am ngongo. And I almost forgot it's already midnight here. Thank you so much. Keep up the good work, and wishing you all the best. And before I forgot, happy birthday, Brother Ray. Thank you so much. God bless you always.
Hi, Happy Family Vlog. It's me, Cosina de Musica. Happy 5th anniversary on YouTube and wishing you a happy birthday. God bless you and keep pushing forward. Bye!
Siya meticuloso po at gusto ko pong batiin si Boss Ray sa kanyang YouTube channel. Happy 5th anniversary to Happy Family Vlog, Boss Ray. And isabay ko na yun po ang kanyang birthday celebration this October. Happy birthday! More blessings and good health always. More revenues, more subscribers, and more views to come. God bless po, Boss Ray.
Thanks, Francis. Naalala mo pa si Tita Mel. And congratulations. Happy 5th anniversary ng YouTube. Andito pa rin tayo. And advance happy birthday. And sana'y lagi akong nasa mo din. Naaalala mo lagi. Thank you very much, Francis, the Family Vlog, and more blessings. Happy birthday din sa'yo, and happy anniversary for the 5th year of YouTube. Here's Tita Mel. Love you. Thanks. Bye-bye. And don't forget, Mel sharing always. Bye!
Hi, Sir Francis Ray. Ayan, happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. Ikaw yung tumulong din sa akin dati. Naalala ko nung nagwa-YT pa ako. Hanggang ngayon nagwa-YT pa naman ako. Kaso lang, hindi na ganun active kasi nga wala ng GC, pero nag-YT pa rin ako, nag-upload pa rin, and nakapokus kasi ako ngayon sa Facebook. Ayan, happy birthday uli, Sir Francis. More birthdays to come, and enjoy kasama ang iyong pamilya. Again, happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. Kumusta man na lang ako sa kay Lalab, sa asawa mo. Bye!
Happy 5th anniversary Happy Family Vlog and YouTube, and happy birthday to Francis Ray, and wishing you an always good health. Thank you.
Happy Family Vlog, gusto kong bumati sa iyong YouTube anniversary. Happy 5th YouTube anniversary sa iyo po, and more views, and sana lumago pa ulit ang iyong YouTube channel, and more blessings po, and also happy birthday po sa inyo, more birthday to come, more blessings and good health po. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa big support lagi. Thank you so much po.
Hello, Meticuloso po, at gusto ko pong batiin si Boss Francis Ray, ang kanyang 5th anniversary sa kanyang YouTube channel, Happy Family Vlog, at isabay ko na rin po ang kanyang birthday. Happy birthday, Boss Ray. More blessings and good health always, more revenues, more subscribers, and more views to come. God bless po. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, this is That's My Way, and I'd like to greet the Happy Family Vlog sa kanilang 5th year anniversary. More success and more videos sa inyong channel. And I also want to greet Sir Francis, many happy returns of the day, and more success sa inyong career. And you know what guys, si Sir Francis ay matagal ko na siyang friend dito sa YouTube, at every time na meron akong videos na ina-upload, talagang hindi siya parati siyang nandyan para mag-support. And thank you so much sir sa lahat ng tulong mo sa aking channel. Malaking tulong ang ginagawa niyo sa akin, at maraming salamat. So yun, happy birthday and happy anniversary. God bless you, bye bye.
Muli kami nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga bumate ng ating birthday and anniversary. Maraming salamat po, and God bless always!